Hey guys, welcome back to Archi Tutors. In this video we'll take a look at how to make different brush presets in Photoshop and use them over rendered pictures of a project. So let's begin. So here I have imported this picture in Photoshop. It was a PNG image, so it's better if you're using a PNG image. That way you don't have to worry about the background. Even if you have imported a JPEG, you can remove the background by using Wand tool. First unlock this background image, just double click on it and I'll go with the default name, press OK and make this selection of the background. Use the Wand tool and some selection here as well. You can refine your selection as I do here. So let's refine it by using polygon selection tool. So I want to deselect this part. Okay, that's alright. And press delete. This is one way to remove the background. Now to convert this image into a brush preset, all you have to do is to go into layer options by double clicking on it. Go to color overlay and fill it by black color. Press OK. And then go to edit, click on the define brush preset. I'll name it preset 1 and press OK. So if I delete this and deselect everything by Ctrl+D and go to brush, here I already have this brush preset selected. If I right click to see where it actually is, you see it's right at the bottom. So this is one way to make the brush preset. Let's try to do the same with the previous image. Just go to the layer options and go to color overlay and apply a black color. Press OK. And last, go to edit and click on define brush preset. So I'll name it preset 2. Now that we have made these two presets, let's see how to work them out in a rendered image. So here I have this picture that is actually a render from a project. So if I go to brush, here I have this brush preset that I just made. Let's add a new layer to this project and turn the color, let's say black. Press OK, adjust the scale a little bit and click to actually apply. You can also adjust the opacity of this. You can keep it around 60. So that gives you sort of a silhouette for these people. You can also adjust the scale accordingly. You can add more brush preset as I got in here. Adjust its scale and maybe increase the opacity of this layer so that we can see it better. You can also go ahead and delete any one of these brush presets by right clicking on them and click on delete brush. This is one way you can make all these presets and add on to your projects. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you click on the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for all the latest updates.